So, lovely bit. I hope you have a fantastic evening with John Williamson.
Can buy a villa under the shade of a coconut tree, and he sang as he watched and waited to live Billy Boyle. You'll come a waltzing Matilda with me. Hey, true love, don't say goodbye. Say you'd knock off for a smoker, and you'll be back later on. Hey, true, hey, true, you turn me straight, face to face. Are you really disappearing? Just another dying race. Hey, true love. This is the chorus. True love. Is it me and you? Is it mom and dad? Is it a cockatoo? Is it standing boy in lane when he's in a fight?
I hope you have a fantastic evening.
Enjoyed the show. It was fabulous. I loved it. How'd you enjoy the show?
Yeah, fantastic. Brilliant. Absolutely fantastic.
How'd you enjoy the show
I
tonight?
thought it was absolutely wonderful.
Did you?
I really,
You're a
really
fan of John
enjoyed
Williamson?
it. I haven't been a fan, but I've enjoyed seeing him when I've been on the TV. But he was just fantastic. Yeah, I'd certainly go again.
Oh, great. How'd you enjoy the show tonight?
The best night ever. We came here 12 months ago, and that's why we've come back tonight, because it's absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, great. Oh no, that was fantastic. I mean, he is just so iconic, isn't he, as an Australian?
Really good.
You're enjoying yourself?
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah, you're a fan of John Williamson?
I am now.